In this video, I'm going to show you how to lace your Vans. What's up YouTube? You're watching ShoeDIY, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your old school Vans. I'm also going to show you two different ways that you can finish off the lacing style when you get to the top of the shoe. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take the lace and bring it down through the outside first hole. Bring your lace a little way up into your shoe, and then when you take the lace across the front, just make sure that you're flattening it out as you go, and the end of the lace is going to come down through the inside first hole. Then we're going to make sure that our laces are the same length on either side by putting the two ends together and pulling up through the shoe. And in that way, you'll make sure that they're nice and even. If you find that you've twisted your lace at the front, just bring it out a little way and then bring it back down into the hole and it'll sit nice and flat. So we're going to start with the outside lace first. We're going to come across the shoe and down through the inside second hole. I'm going to flatten out the lace as much as I can as I work my way up the shoe. And if you catch your lace on your finger as well, it will help to keep that lace nice and flat, and you'll get a little loop sitting on top of the eyelet. Then we take the inside lace across the shoe. We're going to bring it down through the outside second hole. Keep that lace in your hand, bring it across the shoe to the inside third hole. Then take your inside lace across the shoe to the outside third hole. Keep that lace in your hand, bring it across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. Then take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. And keep that lace in your hand, taking it across the shoe to the inside fifth hole. Then take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fifth hole. Then keep the lace and take it across the shoe to the inside sixth hole. Then the inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. Then the outside lace comes across to the inside seventh hole. And the inside lace comes across the outside to the seventh hole. Then the first way to finish off the lacing style will be to take the outside lace and take it out through the top inside hole. Just bring it out as much as you'd like, which leaves you a loop. And then the inside lace comes across and we do the same. We're going to take it out through the hole. It leaves a loop. Just make sure that the lace is sticking out or even and just where you want them. And then we take those two loops, we put them behind the tongue. And those should sit flat on top of your feet, nice and comfortably. I'm just going to make sure that all of the loops are overlapping. So that would be the typical way to finish off your loosely laced old school Vans. Now let me show you the other way that you can finish them off. If you find that your shoe is a little bit big on your foot, or sometimes the shoe slips off your feet a little bit, then there's another way that you can finish off this top of the lacing style. So I'm going to bring the loops back, put the tongue back down again, take your laces out of the top, and this time rather than going out we're going to follow the pattern that we've taken all the way up the shoe. the outside lace comes across and goes down through the inside last hole. And the inside lace comes out across and down through the outside hole. And then you've got these extra laces. You take the outside lace first and you're going to take it out through the inside top hole. And one of the reasons for doing this is not only does it keep the pattern running up your foot a little bit higher, so it helps keep it on your foot, also taking two laces out through the same hole will keep it more securely in place. So just push it through next to the lace that's already there. Again, bring it out just as much as you'd like. It does give you a small loop, and then take the inside lace and take that out through the outside top hole. Just make sure that you've got your laces sticking out as much as you'd like so that they match. And then those two loops go under the tongue. So you've still got that loose lace style, but coming further up the shoe, and two laces going out through the same hole will secure it in place a little bit better. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.